Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing very well. And this is a video where I am telling you about my course that I have launched on my website. I hope many of you guys have already aware about this, and maybe many of the people or many of the users have already taken these courses. So if you haven't taken these courses, or if you want to take this course, then I will tell you you know uh, who has to take this course. Okay, and what is the content available in this course? So this is a package. Okay, so in this package you will be seeing two project courses. One is Build Azure End-to-End Project, and second one is Deep Dive in Delta Lake and End-to-End Project. Okay, so see, if you are someone having 3-4 years of experience, or maybe 5 years of experience in data engineering only, not overall. I am saying only a data engineering or Azure data engineering, or practicing or learning this data engineering from any other website, any other institute, and so, and the concept, SQL well, Python well, Databricks. Okay, somewhat in Databricks, what is PySpark and all, what is link service in ADF, what is integration runtime in ADF. You have worked on some tips, I mean some use cases on ADF, but you do not know how I integrate all these services into one place, how I can make a complete project end to end, right? Then this course is for you. Okay, so if you do not know Python, if you do not know ADF, you do not need to take this course. I would suggest, do not take this course. First learn the Python, first learn the ADF, first learn the Databricks, then come and take this course, so that you will understand it easily, right? Now if I go down, here are the two courses: Build End-to-End Azure Data Engineering Project and build real-time Delta Lake project using PySpark and Spark SQL with Databricks. Now you might be thinking, hey Sagar, what is the difference between these two? Should I go for this one, build end-to-end data engineering project, or should I go for this, or should I go for both? See, if if you want to build a project on Azure ecosystem, then this is the course, Build End-to-End Azure Data Engineering Project. This course was taken by mostly 600 pupils, learners, okay, and 90% have liked it. And this was my first project. That was, I uploaded. I mean, that first project course that was uploaded on my website. Right here, you will see the table of content. If I go down over here, 14 hours of content, only project course. I didn't teach you anything. Like, I have taught you about, what is SPN, when to use service principal, when to use SaaS token, when to use access key. Like that, I have told you. I have told you about, what is, we can say, what is link service, but I did not tell you in detail, because this is a project oriented course. Okay, now this is the architecture video. If you want to know what will be the architecture of the project, then you can check out this video. It is free. You can watch it. Then let's understand Azure resources, how to create them. You do not need to worry. If you're thinking, hey, I have skipped something. No, I haven't skipped anything in this project course. You just need to have a subscription, Azure subscription. Then everything I have told you in these projects. Okay, see, here you can see 1 hour of content present. What is Data Factory? What is blob storage? What is Data Lake Gen 2? What is keyword? What is SPN, SQL databases, and so. Then data preparation and uploading data into the respective sources. So I have given you the data set also. This is the architecture. This is the some data files present over here. How to import it into the source system so that we can create a scenario. Then ingest data from multiple sources. See, I haven't told you only one source. I have told you multiple sources over here. See, what is, how to ingest the CSV files, how to get the data from Data Lake Gen 2, how to get the data from SQL tables, how to get the data from APIs, then how to set up the, ADF repository, then how to create, how to fetch the PDF files, and so then cleaning process. I have used autoloader there, autoloader technology, or we can say streaming technology to to copy the data from raw to cleans layer. Then data quality checks on cleans layer using Delta. Then commit Databricks notebook using repo feature in GitHub. Now create dimension and fact table. It is of 55 minutes, close to 1 hour. Then publish the data into SQL databases using ADF. One video 52 minutes. It is not like 10 minutes ka video, not like that. I have explained you everything step by step. So might be this data, the data set you have got it in Udemy courses or some other YouTube channels courses. Okay, but the way I have explained you, the tip and tricks what I have explained, I'm sure no one has given that thing in the courses. Okay, then set up complete ADF pipeline, source to publish. So we create a one master pipeline, end to end, which works end to end. Just we click on that master pipeline button, right? And then everything will be streamlined. You can see source to publish. Then send data files to end users using Logic app. You can see 37 minutes, then 40 minutes, close to 1 hour. Then run automation script using automation account. It is also of 1 hour. How to automate the things. Then data quality check layer between mart layer and publish. You think this scenario, you have written your dimensions and fact tables, right? You have made some, metrics and all in the fact table. How would you know that the data or the fact table, the logic, what you have written, that is correct? So, and you publish the data into the Delta Lake or into your gold layer or into your SQL table. That is wrong, right? So we will test the data and then only we will publish the data into our main layer. Now CI/CD deployments using Azure DevOps and GitHub Actions. See, I have explained both things, GitHub Actions and Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps, see, you might have seen many courses where you people use Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps is just a template thing, यार. मतलब just template होता है, just fill the information and things will be ready, right? Here I have used YML file also, YML code I would say, to deploy the services. Then handle corner cases. You can see this is of 17 minutes. This is of 1 hour 44 minutes, close to 2 hours. Then build Power BI report. This is of 1 hour. Okay, so this is not like a very simple project, I would suggest. Okay, so it will actually, here you can see 56 sessions are there, right? 14 hours of content. So if you make this project end to end with some proper understanding, it will take you 20, 30, 40 hours. And I'm definitely sure, this is my guarantee. If you just apply all the things one by one, step by step, right? Then you will get a better hike in your company also if you apply all these things. And see, I know that this is not a, this is not a job guarantee project. If you, make this project, then you will get a job, you will land a job. No, not like that. But at least you will learn something new. I'm I'm again saying you, all the Udemy courses I have reviewed by myself, all were just, telling you some very basic things. No one is telling you what's happening over the projects and all. Okay, so it's choice yours if you want to spend your money for your time on those courses, Udemy very simple courses or very Udemy YouTube courses where just taking the data from one source and dumping into it and then doing some cleaning, make some mount point and all, हो गया. तो वो आपके ऊपर है, आपको पैसे वेस्ट करने हैं, आप अपने वेस्ट करो. आई नो whoever watching this video और जिसने ये कोर्स लिया होगा, उसे पता है कि इस कोर्स में कंटेंट क्या दिया गया है. Okay, now this is the second course. Build a real-time Delta Lake project using PySpark and Spark SQL. See, nowadays, like 90-80% organization who are using Databricks, they are working on Delta Lake only. They are not using their managed tables and all, or वो वाला Databricks use वो Data Lake use नहीं कर रहे हैं. They are using a Delta Lake nowadays. So Delta Lake or Delta table can be made on top of blob storage, on Data Lake or any other file storage also, right? Now here you can see 18 hours, close to 19 hours of content available, 64 sessions available. So in this first module, I have covered every basic thing of Delta tables. What is Delta table? What is Delta Lake? How we can make a Delta Lake house, right? Then architecture, how Delta table differ from normal tables, create Delta table, update, X, Y, Z things. You can see it is basics are having 4 hours of content. After that, once you are done with all these things, you can skip something, if you already know this thing. Then you create a end-to-end project. Now you will see the content. 14 hours, again 14 hours of project course. Right, understand the requirement, create blob storage, upload Excel file, create Gen 2, Azure SQL Server, database, set up API, understand in brief. Then dataset I have given you. Create sync data lake for Delta Lake, bronze, silver, gold layer, set up keyword. मतलब from basic I have told you, from basic till the advanced. Create mount points of ADLS, read Excel files, multiple Excel sheets we have it. So how you can fetch the data, improve versions, read CSV packet files and write data into the bronze layer, read SQL table from Azure SQL. Everything I have covered using a Python PySpark database. There is no ADF present. Okay, there is no ADF present. Read data from API, read CSV file using Spark file streaming. Okay, I have also included streaming data also, how you can stream the data. Add file name, insert load time, then framework to validate schema across all the sources, improvement on ingestion layer, cleaning raw table part 2. You can see 21 minute, 41 minute, not like basic covers. Everything I have explained you in deep. Improve validation framework and create raw tables. Replace where while writing data into Delta. Create DDL for raw tables. Improve merge logic and automate the flow. Fix small file issues. When we dump the data into our bronze layer, silver layer, gold layer, there will be a small files issue. So how we can actually resolve it, how we can actually fix it, right? Then improving in streaming source, then create fact table dimensions, and so then set up workflow and job in Databricks. How you can schedule the jobs in Databricks. Why we should use vacuum, and when we have to use vacuum. Manual run notebook job. Set up Git repo in Databricks. Create view and import data in Power BI to visualize the data. Update workflow part 2. Distribute data files to end user using Python. See, everything is given over here. You can also watch out this video if you have any doubt. This is a free video available on my YouTube channel. So the purpose why I have make this video now or making this video now, because I know people are wasting. See, I am not saying that this is a perfect course. Okay, see, at least this course is far better than the Udemy course. You are wasting their money, 300, 400, whatever the price you have, taken from YouTube or Udemy. I would suggest do not waste your money there, because I have reviewed. See, people are making a project on COVID-19, right? Projects is uploaded 20, 30 hours of content available. Bhai, what is COVID-19? How will you show the data? Pulling the data from one API source and just doing some XYZ cheeze. That is not a project, dude. You have to understand it. Now, this is your call. This is my last video I have, created. And again, I am going to create, I'm creating a Azure Data Factory course. Okay, I hope that you have watched that video also, and soon it will be live on my website, complete course. Right now, I guess 4 or 5 hours of content is available, but I am trying to upload more videos, right? So it will be prepared soon, And see, if you are liking my course, you can also go and refer to your friend. We will get some coins, wallet points, and so that once you purchase another course, right? Then you will, I mean, that amount will be reduced automatically. So it is up to you. This is your call. This is not my call, right? If you are loving my content, this YouTube free content, then definitely you will, 100% love these courses. If you're liking my free videos, I'm again saying just invest some money on my single course. You will not regret it. If you know all these basic, right? And if you follow the video completely end to end without skipping any part. Chalo, thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet you in the next lecture. I will be creating some more videos on Azure Data Factory in my Azure Data Factory course by end of this, maybe on today, Saturday or Sunday. And then, we'll try to wind up that course also soon. Thank you. Bye bye.